This paper mainly deals with the data mining concept. So data mining have 5 steps. Actually, they are giving 5 steps in this paper itself. So first one is creating data sets. The data sets we already created in slide 11 and 12. So information pre-processing, we can, based on the accessories, apparels and dresses, we can pre-process our informations based on the items count, based on the sales count, based on the income, based on the accessories, based on the apparels, based on the dresses, based on the years, based on the months. We can do multiple predictions with this one, including extraction. So the extraction data is for each year. So based on each year, we can do the predictions. And resampling is get sample data for a particular end or a particular month. We can resample a particular things. So how can we form something from group of data? Like for example, we are expecting a 2024 year May month data. I want to have the stacked sales and income, how the sales and how the income be. How can I compare these sales of this particular 2024 May month with the previous years and with the next years, and how can I form a new data, form a 2025 data May month data based on this one we can predict. So like this, we can predict some data and the prediction should be shown in some other pages. This is what the important data mining process that is we are going to deal with this paper. E-cart is mainly for selling the items and how the items are sold based on the credit cards. Like that, we can create a separate entry of these sales in a separate paper like this. Like we show in our slide 11 and 12, we have a separate data, right? Those data also we can show in some of our pages. With that pages, we can take this data as a raw model, and from that we can do data mining and we can do predictions. For example, if someone is putting a year, putting a month, and expecting the items count with some other year and some other month, so we can have to take data from these two different groups and make a table like that one. And with the table, we need to prepare data, and we need to prepare how the percentage is different, how the income percentage is different, how the sales percentage is different. Like that, we need to do some kind of predictions. So this is how the data mining they are expecting mostly in colleges for the final years or the mini projects or the main projects. They are expecting kind of things like this. The fashion sale sites, e-card sites we are designing is for attracting the um, people who are ready to view the sites. For the basic work, we need to do data mining. Likewise, I said, right, so we can put some separate select boxes for choosing different years, different months, and with that we can do some sales predictions based on that. So now one question will come for you. So for the 11th and the 12th slide, we have sales data. So I may use any database for that. Yes, of course we can use database, or you can use Excel sheet also. That is also fine. If you are going to use databases, you can store data for different years. For each year, you can create different